Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. This is a year one math, year one question. And that the guys asked me this question for part A should use delta epsilon language that called limit x tend to c. C is a positive real number such that square root of x equal to square root of c. Of course, it is trivial. You can see if x tend to 4, then square root is 10 to square root 4 is 10 to 2. That is quite easy. But how to use delta epsilon? Then you for that I consider for all epsilon greater than 0, there exceed a delta. Delta I keep it in the bank. Later I try to search what actually the value of x. Then consider square root x minus square root c by the hint that is equal to x minus c square root x plus root c. Okay, then for the absolute side here, because c is positive, then I try to make the denominator is more small. A square root x plus square root c, then it should be less than only 1 square root c. Then for all epsilon greater than 0, there is delta. Delta should be equal to, should be, I try to hold that this is equal to less than epsilon. Therefore, I try to choose there exceed delta. Okay, and we choose delta equal to let me see, okay, now we choose delta, and of course we have this one, and then we go back to choose the suitable delta. It is the technical part of this one, and choose delta should be equal to maximum. No, not minimum, not maximum, minimum of root c times delta epsilon or 1, and the 1 is for guaranteeing. The 1 is for guaranteeing to make sure that the delta is small enough. Delta is small enough, and then for all x minus c less than delta, we have x root c minus root x minus root c equal to this one, and this one, and less than x minus c absolute less than root c. And for this one, I hope I want to create some inequality that it's small enough, is actually less than epsilon, but actually we achieve, because x minus root epsilon is less than delta. By the choosing of delta, which is equal to root c epsilon. That is so nice. Then from this language, we can see that limit x tend to c, root c is equal to root c. And for part B is easy, and I think I don't need to do anymore, because we have to multiply x plus c plus x plus root 2 root square root of x plus 2 and plus root 2. And that the denominator is x plus 2 minus 2, that is x. 2x times this one. And this x cancelled and take limit x tend to 0, that is it is equal to 1. These two are cancelled, and this is root 2, root 2, 2 root 2, 4 root 2. The answer should be 4 root 2. Okay, and I hope guys can enjoy this video. If you found Dr.K.Liu Maths channel is useful, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.